What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. As you can see, there's something totally different going on right now, and it is EDF on top of my Pro Mod drag car. And the only reason why I'm doing this is because I was thinking of doing something a little bit different, and the nacelle is not really mounted on the car right now. This is just to give you guys a rough idea of what I'm talking about or what I'll be doing. However, I see a few people on YouTube with this type of stuff, not a lot but a few, and I wanted to see if I could dabble in it as well, which is to build a wind powered, or I could say an EDF powered RC car, which means that EDF stands for electric ducted fan. And this one right here, I basically took it from a crashed RC plane that have nacelle, but this one came from a twin liner airplane, and I just put together this little setup right here to see how best I could basically replicate something like that. But in the back of it there is a modified part, which is this motor right here, so this nacelle right here came off of a twin liner RC plane, and it was a crash one, so I got this one to use to attach the motor to, or attach onto the motor. But this motor is not for RC planes, it's more for RC cars. But I'm just trying something because the aim is to really get an actual EDF to power this thing. However, those things are very powerful, way more powerful than this, but I just wanted to do a little mock setup. And even this one right here, guys, it's quite powerful, but we need better. I ran it on this ESC, which is my old ESC, which is the 120 amp hobby wing one, but I think I need more of like a 4S ESC, 4S 6S, and then also a 4S battery, in which I do have. It's just a little project. It's not really going to be designed to like break records or anything. However, I'm really trying to see how fast I can get the car to go, even if it will go around, let's see, maybe around 50. That's the aim. 50 miles per hour will be good, because again, it's a wind power type of thing, so we're going to be relying basically solely on thrust to get this thing going. And we're going to need a lot of thrust, because by the time you add the battery and everything, the car is going to be picking up some weight, and then with that weight now, we're going to have enough thrust to push that weight. So let's see what will happen, guys. Just a little project I decided to do, because sometimes it's good to step out of the box and take on different things and try new things. So this is what it is, guys. Drop a like if you like it. If you have seen previous projects like these, it's not easy, but we're gonna try, because a lot of people say, oh, when you run this car with a motor inside and attach it to the spur gear, it strips the gear often. But now if we're using an EDF and not using spur gear power or motor power in the driveline, I highly doubt we'll be stripping any gears. So that's it for now. Like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned, guys, for this epic project.